Hi everyone, how are you today? Today my screen is so happy to see all of you. Alright, today is Tuesday. The weather is rainy and cloudy. Today we learn about my school. My school. We learn about there. Okay, there. Okay, now we have my school thing poster. Alright, number one we have there. Books. They're nice. They're blue. They're pens. They're nice. They're blue. Right? Number three. What are they? They're pencils. They're great. They're orange. Number four. What are they? They're rubbers. They're nice. They're blue and pink. Number five, what are they? They're rulers. They are great. And what color are they? They are yellow. Alright, easy, right? So everybody, can you please make the video about part 2 and then you are going to finish part number 3. Write their book. They are books. Okay, their pens. They are pens. Okay, finish homework and finish the homework and then make the video about activity number 2. Okay, everyone? Yes. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.